So friends, in today's tutorial we would going to learn about how to launch a fresh new Flutter project in Android emulator, also known as AVD, Android Virtual Device, from Android Studio. Friends, I have already posted a tutorial regarding to a complete Flutter installation guide on Windows machine earlier on my YouTube channel. The link of that video in the description box, and also you can see that link in the I button. If you know how to complete setup Flutter in Windows, you can go and watch that video. And one more thing friends, I have also posted a tutorial regarding to how to set up Android Studio with Flutter plugin and how to create a new project in Android Studio in Flutter. So you can also watch that video. That video link is also in the description box, and you can also see that video link in the I button. So let's get started. Now simply click on Android Studio. Click on create new Flutter project. Select Flutter application, click on next. Set project name as my Flutter app. Click on select the Flutter SDK path. Click on three dot and choose your Flutter SDK. Mine is here. Click on next. Click on finish button. It will take about a minute or two to create a new Flutter project in Android Studio. Now as you can see, my new fresh Flutter project has been started. Click on the project. Now click on the arrow button and you can see here is my complete Flutter project. Now to edit any Flutter project, or you can say to start coding in Flutter, what we have to do next is click on lib folder, and inside there here is a file named as main.dart. This is our main file, and if you want to start coding in Flutter, then everything which we codes should be written in this main.dart file. Now what we have to do next is we have to create a new Android virtual device, and you can also choose your already created Android virtual device, but I am creating a new device to see how this works. Simply click on tools, select AVD manager. Now friends, as you can see, I have already created an AVD Android virtual device named as Nexus 4 with API 30, and the Android version here is Android 11.0. Now I am deleting this device, so you will know how to create a new fresh AVD in Android Studio. I'm simply deleting it. Now click on create virtual device. So I'm selecting my phone as Nexus 4 again. Click on next. Now select your Android version. Mine is Android R. Click on next. Click on show advanced settings. I'm hiding the screen of the phone. Now here the RAM is about 1.5 gigs and internal storage is about 800 MBs. This should be good. Now click on finish to start creating the AVD. Now click on the play button to launch the Android emulator. As you can see, it is loading. Now my Android emulator with Nexus 4 API 30 has been launched. Now close the window and wait for about 10 to 20 minutes depending on your system performance. If your system performance is good, then it will take about 10 to 15 minutes to get started for the first time. Now when you start it again, it will launch within few seconds. Now friends, as you can see, the system update has been successfully finished. You can see it from here. Now friends, open the Android Studio. Now here you can see a simple drop down menu. Click on it. Now I am refreshing it. It is saying it is loading. Now friends, after refreshing, you will see no device selected, SDK GPhone X86 ARM mobile. Now here you can see Nexus 4 API 30 is already selected. Just simply click on the play button. Starting DevTools. Now on the console window you will see some messages about updating index. Daemon started successfully 15 minutes ago. Now friends, as you can see, it is showing us a message launching lib/man.dart on SDK gphone x86 ARM in debug mode, running Gradle task assemble debug. Now friends, as you can see inside the Android Studio, my application is successfully launched into Android emulator. Now here is my application. Simply click on the plus button and you will see start increasing the numbers here. Now guys, we will make some changes in the main file. Now simply scrolling the file, and in the title I am simply changing the title as Coding Tech Examples, which is my channel name. Saving the file using Ctrl S. And friends, you can see in the header section the title has been successfully changed to a new title, Coding Tech Examples. So friends, using this tutorial you can easily launch any Flutter application from Android Studio to Android emulator. So friends, if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and give us a thumbs like and share my YouTube channel with your other programmer friends. So thank you guys.